Hi, and thank you for joining me today. My name is Jillian, and I work for the County of San Diego. We live in an increasingly digital world, and there are many applications and websites that can make your daily experiences more convenient and enjoyable. So today, I'm going to share with you a great free resource, Venmo, a mobile payment exchange application. This app is a fast, safe, social way to pay and get paid. From monthly bills to special celebrations, all from one easy-to-use app, which can be downloaded to your mobile device. Please note that due to updates and changes to the Venmo app, what appears in this video may look somewhat different from what you see on your device. Before we get started, there are a few things I wanted to go over with you. First, while we are going through this video, I encourage you to follow along on your own device. Second, feel free to grab a pen and paper to take notes throughout this tutorial. And lastly, please pause or rewind this video at any time if you need to follow the process at a slower pace. Now let's get started. A very important reminder. Since the data being input to this app contains highly sensitive information, be sure that you are connected to a secure Wi-Fi network. Refrain from accessing and inputting sensitive information when connected to a public Wi-Fi network, such as at a coffee shop or restaurant. The first thing you'll do is download the Venmo app onto your mobile device. For Android, tap the Google Play icon, which looks like this. For Apple, tap the App Store icon, which looks like this. Once there, type Venmo into the search bar and tap Search. Be sure it looks like this icon. Next, tap Install. After downloading the Venmo app, you will need to create an account. If you already have an account, you can tap here to log in with your email and password. If you do not already have an account, tap here to sign up using your Facebook or email. It will then take you to this screen where you can enter your information to create an account. Tap Next in the upper right-hand corner when you are finished. After filling out your information and signing up, you will be taken to this screen. Here, you can choose to add a profile photo to help your friends and family know that it's you they're paying. Lastly, input a username. Typically, users will use a combination of their first and last name. You can also get creative here by abbreviating your name or adding numbers. Once you are finished, tap Done to save your information. Upon signing up, you'll be prompted to add a bank account or credit card. Use an account you are okay with transferring money out of or into. Depending on the type, it could take up to 3 days to see the transfer reflected in your account. If you are using a bank account, there will be no fee for sending money or for online purchases. If you are using a credit card, you will be charged a 3% fee for sending money. However, there are no charges associated with purchases or debit card payments. If you choose to add a bank account, you have two options for bank verification. The first is instant verification, where you can sign into your bank to instantly verify your bank account. Venmo uses a third-party site called Plaid to verify your bank account. Tap Continue to find your bank, to sign in and get verified immediately. The second is manual verification, where you can use your bank's routing and account number. It is important to note that manual verification can take up to 3 business days. Enter your information here, then tap Save and Continue. Choose one of the 2 verification options to get set up. Now that Venmo is all set up, I will show you the basic features to navigate throughout the app. When you open the Venmo app, this will be your home screen. At the top of the screen, you will notice these 3 icons. The 2-person icon, which is highlighted in gray, indicates the current page you are on. This page will allow you to see all your contacts, such as friends and family, that you allow the app to connect to. In order to do so, you can either connect through Facebook or contacts saved onto your mobile device. Once you sync your contacts from your Facebook or mobile device, they will appear on this page, in which you will be able to see your friends' transactions and payments. Going back to the top of the screen to those three icons, by selecting the globe icon, you will be directed to this page. This page is going to show you the activity of everyone using Venmo, not just people you may know, but everyone using the app around the world. This feature contributes to the social aspect of the app. Now, in order to make and request payments on the app, tap here. You will then be taken to this screen. Here, you can search for the person you would like to make or request a payment by their username, phone number, or email. It also gives you the option to scan a QR code. This feature allows you to skip the process of having to search for someone's username in order to make or request a payment. Once you have found your contact, the page will automatically refresh to look like this. Here, you will enter the amount of money you would like to either pay or request by using the keypad below. Here, you are required to add a note stating what the payment or request is for. This section will need to be completed in order to move on. And below, you have a variety of options to add some flair to your note, such as tagging a friend or family member, adding an emoji. An emoji is a small digital image or icon used to express an idea or emotion. Or you can add a Bitmoji. Bitmoji is a secondary social media app in which you can create a cartoon version of yourself. So for you to add a Bitmoji, you will need to have this app already installed. Or you can add an animation. You now have the option to make your request or payment visible to the public, your friends, or you can make it private. Public means that your request or payment will be visible to everyone on the internet. If you choose the friend option, it will be visible to the sender, recipient, and their friends on Venmo. And by selecting private, this means it will only be visible to the sender and recipient. To request money, tap Request. And to make a payment, tap Pay. Going back to your home screen, tap here to find your name, which your friends and family can look you up by. Here, you will see your current amount of money on Venmo, which you have the option to transfer to your bank account, or you can leave it for future payments on the app. And here, you can search for people, view notifications, view incomplete requests or payments, view your purchases. Note, you can also use Venmo to pay in other apps and on the mobile web with select PayPal merchants. You can create a Venmo card, a debit card to spend your Venmo balance, view your settings, and to access customer support or to troubleshoot the app, tap Get Help. Once you tap Get Help, you will be brought to this page. Here, you can browse frequently asked questions. If you are unable to find the answer you need, tap here to contact customer support. You can contact them through email or via live chat through the app. And here, you can check their hours of operation to see when the best time is to contact them. After contacting customer support, a support ticket will be provided as a receipt of your conversation with an associate, in which you can view by tapping here. Going back to the settings option, you will be brought to this page. Among Venmo's many features, here are the most basic features you may utilize or want to utilize in the future. Here, you have the option to edit your profile, payment methods, and privacy settings. You can also enable a PIN number or Touch ID to unlock your account for quick and easy access. You can also have the option to change your password. And here, you can read about additional provisions to the app. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other how-to videos. These training videos were created to advance the Live Well San Diego vision for a region that is building better health, living safely, and thriving. Thank you and continue to live well, San Diego.